Hey, let me ask you something. What if I told you there's a way to package the exact AI tools you're already experimenting with? ChatGPT, Midjourney, automation flows on Make.com. Turn them into polished digital products and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip without coding, huge budgets, or a big audience. The truth is, there's an entire market of small business owners, creators, and freelancers desperate for ready-to-use AI solutions, and most people aren't even tapping into it. That's exactly what we're breaking down today. A complete step-by-step guide to package and sell AI agents as digital products. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks. If you're serious about earning online or building an extra income stream, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's jump straight into this. No fluff, just actionable tips you can use today. First, let's talk about why packaging AI agents works so well. Think about Canva templates or Shopify themes. People buy done-for-you solutions because they save time. AI agents are the next wave of this trend. Imagine a real estate agent who needs an AI chatbot to pre-qualify leads, or an Etsy seller who wants an automated review booster. They don't want to learn Make.com or prompt engineering. They just want a plug-and-play agent that works. This is where you step in. Step 1. Pick a problem. Worth solving before you even touch a tool, spend some time finding a pain point that people are already paying to fix. This is where the money is. Forget about flashy tech tricks. Think about the boring, repetitive tasks that drain time and energy. Small business owners, content creators, coaches, e-commerce sellers, they're all drowning in tasks they'd rather automate. Maybe it's a fitness coach struggling to answer the same nutrition questions over and over. You could create an AI assistant that delivers meal plans and coaching tips automatically. Or imagine a podcaster who records 3 shows a week but never has time to repurpose content. An agent that takes transcripts and instantly creates blog posts, Instagram captions, and tweets would feel like magic to them. The key is to find a specific problem, one that costs your target audience time or money, and solve that. Don't get stuck on the technology. Stay focused on real human pain points. Step 2. Build a simple minimum viable agent. This is where a lot of people freeze, but you don't need to over-engineer anything. Use ChatGPT to handle the intelligence. Writing, responding, or generating ideas. Use Make.com or Zapier to connect the pieces. And use something simple like Typeform or Tally for input. For example, let's say you're building a lead magnet delivery agent. A user fills out a form on Typeform. Make.com triggers ChatGPT to personalize the lead magnet, and then Gmail or MailerSend delivers it straight to their inbox with a polished email. That's it. You don't need custom code or a big budget. The goal is functionality, not perfection. Your first version should prove the concept. Then you refine it later once you get feedback. Think of it like building an IKEA table. Follow the basic steps, get the structure standing, and worry about polishing the edges later. Step 3. Package it like a real product. Here's where many people mess up. They build something great but present it like a rough draft. And nobody pays premium prices for a rough draft. You're not just selling files, you're selling an experience. Give your agent a catchy name like Auto Welcome Pro or Content Repurpose Wizard. Create a clean PDF guide or a Notion page with step-by-step instructions. Record a short Loom video showing exactly how to set it up so your buyer feels guided. Add a simple Airtable or Notion template if it makes the workflow smoother. And don't underestimate design. Use Canva to make a branded thumbnail or cover image for your product page. People judge with their eyes first. If your product looks polished, you can charge more and build trust instantly. Step 4. Choose your platform and price smartly. Once your product looks professional, it's time to sell. For beginners, Gumroad, Payhip, or Systeme.io are perfect. They handle payments, downloads, and taxes so you can focus on marketing. If you want to reach businesses or early adopters, consider AppSumo or Product Hunt launches for extra visibility. I know a creator who took a simple content scheduling agent, listed it on AppSumo, and pulled in over $12,000 in a few weeks because he nailed the packaging and launch story. When setting prices, don't undersell yourself. A single agent can easily go for $29 to $49. Bundles of 2 or 3 agents can hit $99 to $149. And if you're confident in your niche, add a premium tier that includes a 30-minute onboarding call or a customization service. Many buyers will gladly pay extra for convenience and peace of mind. Step 5. Launch and market with storytelling. This is where your product comes alive. Don't just drop a link, show people why your agent matters. Share a quick before and after demo. Here's the mess of manual emails my client was sending last week, and here's how the AI agent now does it automatically in 10 seconds. Storytelling sells. Talk about a freelancer who saved 3 hours a day, or an Etsy seller who doubled their reviews using your agent. Use the platforms your audience hangs out on: Twitter threads, Reddit communities, LinkedIn posts, or Facebook groups. And don't ignore your email list or small influencer partnerships. A few micro-influencers talking about your product can create serious buzz. Pro tip: release a elite version of your agent for free to build your email list. This is the exact growth hack that Canva and Notion used. Give people value up front, then upsell them to the premium version once they trust you. Step 6. Systematize and scale. Now that you've made your first sales, it's time to turn this into a real income stream. Don't stop at one agent. Repurpose your winning idea for adjacent niches. A review booster for Etsy sellers can be tweaked for Airbnb hosts or Shopify sellers with just a few changes. Build a small product line so buyers can bundle multiple agents. This increases your revenue per customer. Automate your own business too. Set up canned responses for customer questions, or even build an AI support agent to handle common inquiries. Over time, your library of agents will work for you 24/7, earning while you sleep. And here's the kicker. As AI tools keep improving, you'll be in the perfect position to update your products and stay ahead of the curve. That's how you go from a side hustle to a scalable business. Let's quickly recap. Pick a real problem. Build a simple but functional agent. Package it professionally. Sell it on a beginner-friendly platform. Market it with storytelling, and then replicate the process. This approach has already turned into 5-figure side hustles for creators around the world, without coding, big budgets, or massive audiences. Before you go, I've put together a detailed guide that dives deeper into choosing your niche, building your first agent, and the exact steps to market and scale your digital products. You'll find the guide in the first pinned comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments which AI agent idea you'd build first. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go out there, package your agent, and let's make those digital profits happen.